My plan for 2023. During 2022, my portfolio crashed down nearly 55%. Absolutely disastrous. If I share with you on the screen, this is my actual portfolio, but I'm going to give you now my plan for 2023, how I can get my portfolio up to $100,000 this year. So I'm going to share with you my exact plan, but before I do that, you have to smash the like button. If you smash the like button, it helps grow our channel and shares this information to more people. And as Graham Stephan would say, he often says, I will show you a picture of a cat. Well, I'm not going to show you a picture of a cat, but Mr. Mini-Me would really appreciate it. So there you go. Smash the like button. And as always, please subscribe and ring the bell as well. If you ring the bell, it makes a difference because I go live up to 10 hours a day, bringing you breaking news. Okay, so let's talk about my plan for 2023. This is my portfolio. How am I going to get to $100,000? Well, I made some mistakes during 2022. What it was, I was too married to certain stocks. I wouldn't take profits. Let me share with you my overall position. There it is, down 57%, $43,000 I've lost. Yep, but remember, you don't lose it until you exit the game. And my plan is to reach $100,000 by the end of this year and get to $200,000 all time by the time I need to retire, which is in 5-10 years time. No real time. I plan to be on YouTube forever. There we go. So how am I going to get there? Well, I'm no longer married to the stock. If I make a profit, I sell it. If I make some money, I sell it. However, now I have two parts of my portfolio. I have my main brokerage account and I also have my Roth IRA. This is my entire situation now here on Robinhood. As you can see, I have $32,924, a little bit more because I have $199 in my retirement plan. This is being made during a live show, so you can see this is real as it happens. So what I'm going to do is this. I now have with YouTube, this is my main income, plus I do a couple of gigs. Well, I do 1 gig a week actually as the World Piano Man. I go out and play and do some entertainment. So I have, after my bills and after all the things I have to pay, normal life, a couple of grand a month to bring into my portfolio. So every month, minimum, I have $2,000. Hopefully, I'll have more than that as my YouTube channel grows. My gigs won't change because I'm not doing any more than 1 gig a week, but I might get the odd big corporate gig, so you never know. But $2,000 a month minimum is what I'm bringing in to invest in my portfolio. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to buy into my Roth IRA. My Roth IRA, if I go to that, as you can see, this is my Roth, and you can see the total balance is 199. This started a month or so ago on Robinhood. Now, why am I going to put my first $7,000 into my Roth? Well, you can only put up 7 grand in, and that's not a lot when I think that I can have 2 grand a month. 3 months, I've done 6 grand, so 3.5 months, I've done my Roth. Now, this will be money I put in, and I'll get a match. I will get a match from Robinhood of 1%. So it's free money. So I might as well get my free money. And they pay me instantly. So the first 7 grand that I get, I've already got a couple $100. So today I'm hoping to get 1,100. Within the next couple of days, I should have the rest, some more money. So this month I'll have a couple of grand. It'll go into my Roth. I'll earn 1%. And I will buy stocks I can hold and leave because I don't want to sell them because I want to go 5 years without selling them so I can get a tax-free investment so I don't get any tax on my profits. And I'm going to buy things like the S&P 500. I'm going to buy some Tesla because it's beaten up right now, and I know it's not going to go anywhere in the next 5-10 years. Leave that. Maybe buy some Microsoft. That's beat up right now, as is Google. Maybe some Apple, and we'll see. And I'll have a nice little nest egg there, which I can leave for the next 5 to 10 years. Now, I've got until April to do that. Once April comes, I then move into my 2023 Roth. I don't know if I'm going to get all 7 grand done by April, but I'm going to try. Then I've got another 7 grand available between April of this year and April next year. Now that's going to be easier to achieve within 3 months. So by the summer, I could have maxed that one out as well. So that will fill up my Roth IRA. I'll have 7 grand for the first year, 7 grand for the second year, 14 grand of money in stocks that I know aren't going to go anywhere, that are going to grow over time. Now, they will still count. So when I look at my overall balance, when I show you on a day-to-day basis, I'm at 32.6. You will see me at 32.8 right now, and that will go up. And that will go up today by $1,100 as it arrives from the postman today. I'm going to put it in and transfer it straight in. And you're going to watch my portfolio get at least $24,000 of my own money. So my portfolio will go up by 24 grand, which will take me up to 56,008 just by default without it growing. That's a guaranteed fact, as long as I don't, lose my YouTube channel or don't stop doing gigs or whatever. And that's how I'm going to do it. Now, once I've done my $7,000 for this year and my $7,000 for next year, I then will put all the money into my main brokerage account, which is my scalp trading sort of swing day trading account. And that's how I manage this. So let's go over to that portfolio right now, and you'll see what I've got here. This is my full portfolio. This is my plan on how I'm going to get to $100,000 in the next 12 months by the end of this year. There's my S&P. It takes up 53% of my portfolio right now. Virgin Galactic, I'm trying to buy some more right now, and this won't be in my Roth IRA. I will have Tesla in my Roth IRA because we don't know if Virgin Galactic will be here in 5-10 years. We don't know that. I believe it will be, but I'm not going to play with my pension. My pension is something I've got to know 100% will be there in 5-10 years' time. Now, that doesn't mean to say I can't sell my Roth. I can sell my Roth, no problem at all. I can sell it at any point, but then I lose the benefits of the tax situation. So I want to hold stocks that I can just leave alone. I can day trade, I can swing trade, scalp trade my main portfolio, but my Roth I will leave alone. Virgin Orbit, I've been buying this. I'm going to flip this as soon as it goes to $4, which will be 2 weeks from now when the flights take off. Rivian, I'm adding to my position. There's Rivian. Tesla, this is my main brokerage account. This isn't my Roth, and I hope that check arrives soon before it goes up too much today. But there you go. I'm adding to my position. I had at one point like nearly 40 shares of Tesla. It's down to 7. I sold it. I know we're going lower. I'm buying it on the way down and slowly adding it back again. Lucid, I love the EV sector. Apple, of course. Amazon, I've been buying that on the way down. McDonald's, I've sold that. I'm buying it back when it goes cheaper. Coca-Cola, I've made money on Coke. I'm buying it when it goes cheaper. It's very expensive. J&J, all the staples. These are some of the stocks I'm adding in my main brokerage account. I'm adding some of these in my main portfolio on my Roth as well. So that's my plan. That's how I plan to get to $100,000 this year. So you can join me. If you click up here, that will take you to the live shows, and you can join me every day, and you can watch and you can see if I get to $100,000 by the end of this year. I'm working hard at doing it. I'm scalping if necessary, and I believe it's totally possible. Okay, so there you go. Join me live, and I'm back here up to 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday, whenever the markets are open. We are here. Until next time, leave your comments below. I'll reply to everyone's comments. I reply to all of my members, and then I start to reply to everybody else's messages as well. I wish you all the very best for 2023. Let's not be so attached to our stocks this year. Let's be in it to win it. We're here to make money. The stock doesn't know you own it. So why do you have to feel you're married to it? Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.